So I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up the Zebra scanner. It's going to come in this box. I've already opened it, but this is everything that should come in the box. I'm going to show you how to connect it to your terminal. First things first, this cord plugs into here, or down here. Okay, and then this sticker right here, this comes off, and this cord will plug right into there. Okay, once you get those plugged in, you need to power it, so plug it into power. This green light turns on, and this plugs right into there. And this other cord plugs into the side of the USB right there. So the labels come in that package. This opens just like that. You'll spread these open, and the labels will sit in there, and I'll show you how it sits. Sit like this. I close it in. It goes under this. This just sits out, and make sure that this setup, the laser is set up with the arrow right there. Once you do that, you can close it, turn it on, and just now we'll go to here. Okay, from here we're gonna go to Google Chrome. We're gonna go to the search bar and we're gonna type in, I've already copied it, but you're gonna type in tinyurl.com/LiquorBeeLabels-2. Gonna open it. It's gonna bring you here. We're gonna scroll down, accept all, then right here, open in browser. Then right here, we'll hit download, and then download with that, or continue with download only, right there. Okay, just gonna say that, just say download anyway. Then right here, file downloaded, hit open, then install. Hit install, then we're gonna open it. If you need your customer ID, just ask us. We'll tell you your customer ID. But now you see it's green. It's ready to go. Once you hit that customer ID in, you'll hit save and start, then you'll be good.